We're taking a look here at file system functions. So this has everything to do with the file system. So the first is absolute path. So the idea is you give it something that's relative and it's going to give you something absolute. Directory name. So this is a string containing a file system path and removes the last portion from it. So we don't need the file name, so we just remove that off of there. We have path expand. So it takes a file system path that might begin with a tilde and expands it into its absolute path. So this would be like for home, okay? Base name, so it takes a string containing a file system path, and it's basically the opposite of directory name. We just want the file here, okay? On to the next page here. This file will read the contents of the file, pretty straightforward. We can check if a file exists, so we just do file exists here. We have file set, so it enumerates a set of regular file names given a path and pattern. File base 64, so it reads the contents of a file at a given path and returns the base 64 encoding. That might be good for images. Template file, so reads the file at a given path and returns its content as a template using a supplied set of template variables. So that's really useful if you want to do some kind of templating. And just notice it's a two-step process. So this is the template file, the actual file itself, and then we load it here and it's called a .tpl. So there you go.